10 packing mistakes that will ruin your London trip. Planning a trip to London? Avoid these common packing pitfalls that could derail your adventure. Stick around to discover the top mistakes travellers make and how you can steer clear of them. I'm Ben from Travels Unfiltered, and let's get into it. Starting off at number 10, overpacking. It's tempting to prepare for every scenario, but lugging around heavy bags can be a real burden. London's public transport and charming cobblestone streets are best enjoyed with a lighter load. Coming in at number 9, forgetting an umbrella. London's weather is famously unpredictable. A compact, sturdy umbrella is a must-have to keep you dry during those unexpected showers. At number 8, not packing comfortable walking shoes. London is a city best explored on foot. Leave the heels and stiff dress shoes at home. Opt for comfort to make the most of your sightseeing. Next at number 7 is neglecting to bring a universal power adapter. The UK uses a unique plug type. Without the right adapter, charging your devices will be a challenge. Coming in at number 6 is bringing too much cash. London is largely cashless, with contactless payments widely accepted. Carrying excessive cash can be risky and unnecessary. Our 5th tip is ignoring the need for layered clothing. London's climate can change rapidly. Layering allows you to adjust to varying temperatures throughout the day. Moving on to number 4, packing without checking the local weather forecast. This oversight can lead to inappropriate clothing choices. Always check the forecast before finalizing your packing list. Our 3rd tip is overlooking the importance of a day pack. A small backpack is ideal for carrying daily essentials like water, snacks, and souvenirs as you explore the city. At number 2, not considering cultural norms. For instance, some religious sites require modest attire. Researching dress codes can prevent uncomfortable situations. Finally, at number 1, forgetting essential medications and prescriptions. Accessing specific medications abroad can be difficult. Ensure you have enough for your trip, along with necessary documentation. Now that you know the top packing mistakes to avoid for your London trip, what about the real cost of your trip? If you don't budget right, you could overspend big time or miss out on must-do experiences. Find out exactly how much a trip to London really costs in our video here.